Okay, so got the motor on the newer unit pulled out and pulled the motor from the older unit and swapped them. So I got the older motor hooked up. It was not an exact swap, so it took a little bit of fiddling and had to do a little bit with the wiring, but nothing major. Anyway, so I finally got that all hooked up, and now I'm going to test it. I have not done that yet. This is literally the first. So first we'll check the power of the battery. Don't know if you can read it, but 12.83, so we're plenty there. Now my leads are made. So I have it hooked up for the last unit, which had some different wiring, so I can kind of show you what I'm talking about. I can pull these clips off because I had to add these. So there's alligator clips, and because of the ends that I had on the wiring of the old unit, I was able to use those into these. And now these will just plug right in to the positive and negative on the new unit. And now we are going to act as the thermostat and put in our call for heat. That should come on. Fan should spin powerful enough to flip up the sail switch, and fingers crossed. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Sail switch is all the way up. Now I unhooked it, but every time you the thermostat like kicks off or anything like that, it has like a wind down. So I think it's about a minute and a half-ish or something it'll kick off. So watch it, see what happens. Good airflow. There it is. So the next step will just be getting it back into the trailer and get it all hooked up and turn on the propane, give it a go, see what happens. Got a good feeling though.